first order of the day. We got a Starbucks. This is gonna be $13 going 6 miles. Thank you. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's gonna be $11 going 5.5 miles, 2 items. Is it just this? All right, well, it is super dead right now. I haven't had an order come in at all in almost 20 minutes since the last one. So we're just taking this one, even though it's not that great. This is for McDonald's, $7.75 going 4.5 miles. Ooh, sure. Next order is for Voodoo Donut. This one's $20.75 going 11 miles.
Be right on time.
Perfect, thank you. Bad thing about this order is it's pretty much going out of my zone. I mean, it's not like it's round trip, but it might as well be. It is quite a lot of food though, so there might be a hidden tip on it, hopefully. Oh my. I want you guys to guess how much base pay was on that order. Just a reminder, when the order was offered to me, it was like $20.25 going like 11 miles, something like that. So how much do you think DoorDash values my time, effort, and gas? How much do you think they paid me? Next order up, we've got a Seize the Bagel. This one is gonna be $12 and some change going 6 miles. I can see on the app that they tipped the staff $3. Surely that means that I'm getting a good tip, right? Thank you. All right, this is a tip bait if I've ever seen one, but we're gonna take it. This is a 7-Eleven, $10 going 1 mile. Thank you. Have a good day. Oh wow, they're giving me a shop and deliver for alcohol, $11.75 going 2 miles, 6 items. I'm gonna accept it and drop this one off as quick as possible so I can move on to that one. Of course, it's upstairs. Always upstairs. It's not upstairs. It's downstairs. This. 6 of these. Ow. And then just scribble on that line for me. Sure. Good enough for me. Let me go grab that for you. Got it? I haven't even left yet, but they're giving me another shop and deliver for alcohol. This one is $15 going 6.5 miles, 2 items. Okay, and then just scribble on that line for me.
There you go.
Good enough for me. Okay, I think today has to be a short day. I've got a road trip planned right after I finish this. Well, after I edit the video and post it, and I still need to pack, so I'm a little bit behind schedule. By the time you're watching this, I should be on my 12-hour drive, so that's gonna be fun. But anyways, current time is 10:37. Current total is 106, and I still have one Uber tip yet to come in, so let's say around 110. Pretty good day. I wish I could keep making that easy money, but it is what it is. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.